Good day, it is Chemistry with Meruyert course. I hope you all doing great because today we are going to talk about important things. The topic of the today's session is how chemistry or the chemical engineering made the unreal happen in the reality, or in other words, how chemistry made the unreal things to become real. And before talking about the importance of the chemical engineering, let's dig deeper into the history. The origins of the chemical engineering are in the publication of the George Davis, which were published in 1901. The research was connected with the plants and their specific operations such as evaporation and filtration. And they are also called unit operation, and they were initiated by the American chemical engineer Arthur Little in 1915 and formed the basis for a classification of chemical engineering that dominated the subject for the next 40 years. And the first breakthrough of the chemical engineering that we are going to talk about today is an idea of grown meat in lab that has been often featured in science fiction book of the Margaret Atwood called Oryx and Crake. And eventually, by the help of the chemical engineering, this thinking became real by the Maastricht University professor Mark Post that featured and offered the cultured beef project, the alternative road to meat production. This method uses bioreactor or tissue engineering to produce lab-grown meat. And the second innovation is the nuclear fusion, which is used in the energy production, and it produces pure and not expensive energy for the humanity. And by the video you can guess the third breakthrough that we are going to talk about now. Yes, that is exactly batteries and the health cells that we are using every day to our phones and to the recharging processes. Additionally, we can add the 3D printers and the solar panels as the breakthroughs and the revolutions of the chemical engineering in our modern life. All in all, the representations of the chemical engineering are everywhere and they are very important. However, sometimes they pollute our atmosphere and the water, and to avoid that negative consequences, we should work together to combat these drawbacks and to bring the peace to the world. And here's always the course Chemistry with Meruyert with you to help you achieve everything you want in this world.